Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see, I'm going to show you how I make these bite-sized, super crispy churros, and it's all going to be from scratch. All right, let's dive into the recipe. Alright, so the main thing to get right with this recipe is the pat a choux, or simply put, the thick batter that will eventually become the little churros. So in a small pot, you're going to melt together the butter, water, sugar, a pinch of salt, and some vanilla paste. Next, you're going to stir in the all-purpose flour until it becomes a big, sticky mass of dough. Cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes on low heat while constantly stirring until it all comes together. After the flour has been properly cooked throughout the batter, remove the pot from the heat and incorporate 1 egg into the hot batter while stirring to make sure that the egg doesn't start to cook. When the batter is nice and glossy and still fairly sticky, transfer it to a piping bag fitted with a metal star tip and check for consistency. It should be thick enough to hold shape and light enough to result in a crunchy and chewy center for the churros. Alright, so once the churro batter is prepped out and ready to go, start piping it out into a length about the size of your thumb, or maybe a little bit smaller. It all depends on what you're shooting for. But you're going to fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes at or around 400 degrees Fahrenheit until they are a dark, golden, delicious brown. Then you're going to remove them from the hot oil and allow them to rest on a paper towel to catch any excess grease. Alright, last but not least is the fun part. You're going to toss these in some spiced sugar. Basically, it's like a few tablespoons of cinnamon and some nutmeg, maybe a little bit of allspice, and some granulated sugar. Give them a good toss, and these are ready to be served. You can also accompany these with like a little vanilla creme anglaise or some chocolate sauce, but they are absolutely amazing just on their own. Alright guys, so the churro bites are done. My wife, Rachel, couldn't wait for my outro to taste them.
Yeah.
Because they look very good.
Yeah, I already had.
Well, she did have a few. Usually I eat about half of what I do during my outros, so I get
Usually
first
I do
dibs.
too.
They're still warm, and anyways, I'm excited to try them out. Okay, go ahead. You get first dibs.
Oh, okay, cool.
Oh, there you go.
Try it out.
Perfect distraction.
There's a lot of sugar on that, but
What do you think, bud?
Okay.
Hi, monkey. So what do you think?
I love it.
These are good.
They're pillowy.
They're very, exactly. They're very pillowy. Plus, I also like the fact that they get super crispy because of the mini, right? You get more surface area to fry,
Yeah,
which is always good. I like crispy.
they're good. I'm not about to hate on a churro.
Simple homemade churro. Very good recipe.
Want some tea?
I will.
Take it. All right, last one. Now I've had probably about a full-size churro.
Wow, those are really good. Well, I'm glad you're happy, and my kid's happy. He's jumping around. You can't even see what's going on, but he's very happy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the recipe. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a big ol' like. Make sure you check the description box for the ingredients for this, and I will see you guys next time with another recipe. Later, folks.
He's literally dancing
I know.
around in happiness.
He's like,
yeah,
Churro Bites.
yeah,
Churro
yeah,
Bites.
yeah.
Later.